Maui during COVID-19. Maybe you're here on vacation, maybe you got here before the quarantine happened. That doesn't mean you need to eat terrible food while you're here. So we have a lineup of our favorite local restaurants that are following safety protocols that are doing takeout during this COVID crisis.
Yep, which is great. It's been so nice using them because we get kind of tired of cooking every single night. So it's been really nice. But then also too, like COVID, this pandemic's not going away overnight. So we can just see these things going on for a while, right? Takeout, when Hawaii opens up again, you probably still do takeout during your vacation.
Yeah. So I'm Erica.
And I'm Jordan.
And we're from the Hawaii Vacation Guide. And this video is all about the great restaurants that are still doing takeout during COVID-19 and how you can support small businesses while you're here. Lahaina has a ton of restaurants and it's a hub for eating. But right now, most of them are shuttered, just like everywhere else on the
island.
island.
And I'm surprised how many are shuttered.
Yeah.
Like it's completely closed, mostly on Front Street too.
It's a ghost town.
Yeah, which we were curious, is like, are they owned by big corporations or is this not worth them for to do takeout? But a lot of the local restaurants, the ones we know are locally owned, are having great takeout right now.
They are. So first one, down the hatch.
Oh yeah, classic, yeah.
So this is in the Wharf Street Cinema Complex.
Right across from the banyan tree, so
Yes.
easy to find.
Easy to find.
Yeah, and they've been open since day one, and they got big signs up like support local, and it's a nice little easy walk up, dial in. It's a great place to go.
Yeah,
it's all outdoors.
Grab your seafood.
Yeah,
So.
it's a lot of fried seafood. It's a little southern and Hawaiian Asian fusion, so it's really good. Nice, nice refreshing place to go.
Yeah.
Looks delicious. Sandwich, good looking fries. I miss their happy hour. They have like the happiest happy hour in town.
And in that same area, you have Tiki Thai, and you have Pho Saigon 808. So Vietnamese and Thai food.
Yeah, and they're just passed down the hatch, but right in that same Wharf Cinema Complex. Really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's nice too. They do all the good safety procedures. They're wearing the masks in there. They have I love when they give you free hand sanitizer because it's hard to find right now.
Yeah.
And those are just great local eateries. You can't go wrong with Thai or Vietnamese. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Love them.
Moku Roots.
There we go, yeah.
I do love our Moku Roots.
It's just super fresh, organic produce. Like even you can even like rent a tin from them, which I don't know how they're doing that. We're gonna check that out.
Yeah, not during this time.
No.
So they're actually doing a handheld menu. So everything is wrapped in banana leaves.
Wow.
Yeah.
These guys, these girls, I mean,
We're
they're
heading there for lunch today.
Yeah.
So we'll get some video of that because it's pretty cool.
And then one of my favorites, I'll just be preaching about Maui food trucks forever, but Lahaina Food Truck Park, and it's right on Waine'e Street. I know how to pronounce it right by the Catholic Church. It is a great food truck park. It has all these great local guys in there. It's got Mexican food. It's more of a breakfast and lunch place before I go any further. More breakfast and lunch. It closes down at dinner too. We got great Filipino food there too. It's one of our favorites. We go there all the time.
Great breakfast tacos.
Yeah, at Taqueria Eats. Yeah, really good. It's this Austin couple. They're a lot of fun. It's brother and sister actually. Yeah. And they run it and they're a lot of fun. There's the Catholic Church, West Maui Mountains. Look for this sign. And it's right inside this little parking lot right here. So in here, you got sushi, Japanese, Taqueria Eats for Mexican burritos, fair in the morning. You got Filipino Cuisina DJ Boy, best local moco on the island in my opinion. And you also have Mexican food. And then you also have the acai bowls.
All right, so moving on from Lahaina, because that's plenty if you are on the west side. That's a lot of food options for you. All right, so moving down to Kihei.
Yeah, to South Maui. Kihei, kind of Wailea area.
We have our favorite food truck park. This is our favorite.
It really is, yeah.
Food.
Here we are. This is the Kihei Food Truck Park behind the Azeka Shopping Center. This place is legit. A lot of these guys are starting to open up second food trucks around the island. So this is a nice one to check out. This also gets really popular by locals at dinner time, which to me means like, you know, this is a legit place to go. This is like the real deal. It's really good.
Whenever we're down there, we always stop there. But we got Kraken Coffee, which is absolutely one of our favorites, and now they have 2 Kraken Coffees. One's up in Kahului. But they're always super friendly there. It's amazing coffee, especially iced coffee.
Yeah.
Nice. That's what's nice about Food Truck Park, is there's something for everybody, and it's perfect during COVID-19 because it's already takeout, right? It's already there for you, so it's easy to drive up. It feels very safe. They're doing all the right safety procedures.
They're wiping down everything in between customers.
Even the square machine, right? They wipe it all down, so it feels really good when you're there.
It
feels
does feel
comfortable.
What are you getting, Dad?
Barbecue chicken quesadilla.
Barbecue chicken quesadilla!
Yeah, you're on the
Hells yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
All right, the other place in Kihei.
Also in Kihei, we have The Kitchen, which there's also a location in Kahului. But The Kitchen, it's, you know, your kind of more local food. So you'll get
plate lunches, wine plate, get your mac salad, 2 scooped rice. Yeah, that's my favorite.
But what I love is they're doing family boxes right now for a limited time. So I think it's $37, feeds a family of 4. And you get your entrees. I think you get 2 entrees, you get sides, so it's really a good option. And then Paia Fish Company.
Famous place. This place is like spread out all over the island now.
Yeah, so they have 3 locations on Maui. The Lahaina one isn't open, but Paia and Kihei are currently open and accepting online orders. And so that is a great place to go get your
It's
fish
just good
sandwich.
classic fish sandwiches, but it's a big piece of fish. You know, they have fish plates also, but the fish sandwiches are what they're known for.
Really good.
Really nice. Yeah.
All right, but then hopping over to Paia to continue that.
Up on the North Shore, the historical town of Paia.
Yeah, really cute. Some great options there for you. Again, the Paia Fish Company, fantastic.
Yeah.
Definitely go there.
Right on the corner, you can't go wrong.
And then you also have Choice. So this is more of a healthy place. They have delicious acai bowls, burrito bowls. I think it's all either vegetarian or vegan.
Yeah.
It might be vegan.
The place is always full of all the locals, especially all the people doing yoga or going there afterwards. It's really, it's always a fun vibe.
It is delicious.
Yeah.
And then Flatbread Company. So what I love about them, so you're gonna get flatbread pizzas. And what I love about them is they're very upfront about what they are doing to protect the community and to protect their employees. So they have wellness meetings that they check in with their employees every day before
I didn't
starting.
know that.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah.
They don't accept walk-in orders. You do have to order online or over the phone just to minimize contact, and you pay over the phone or online so that you don't have to actually, you know,
I know, I get so grossed out with that now, yeah.
Yeah.
We used to live in England, it's all touchless, so now I'm not even used to using the keypad at all.
Yeah.
It's funny. It's little things like that, but yeah.
But those are great options if you are up in Paia. And also, just a reminder, if you're heading to the airport, or if you find yourself in Kahului, the Kahului Food Truck Park. We love food trucks.
There's 2 in Kahului now. One is off Dairy Road, but the more famous one is Costco.
Yeah.
It's right across from the Costco gas station.
All right, here we are at the Costco Food Park. It's probably the best food park on Maui for multiple reasons. One is that there's like award-winning food trucks here, like Tie Me Up, who is the sous chef of Mama's Fish House. And he has a new one too that's teppanyaki. And best thing about this place is that it's really close to Costco, but it's also close to the airport. So it's a perfect place to go to get food right before your flight. What'd you get, hon?
The acai bowl. The acai bowl. Costco Food Truck Park. Pretty much everything's open. 70% of things are open here. Got this glorious acai bowl. And the Kahului Food Truck Park is drive-through only, but it looks like they're totally open too.
You're supporting all the local businesses with the food truck park, because you don't get more local than a food truck.
Yeah, everything is like homemade here, okay?
All right.
I do everything from scratch, okay? I even use Himalayan salt for my seasoning. Yeah, this is actually organic greens, okay? So
Okay.
here. This is your fish. This is very good. You're gonna love it. I'm not cheap on my food, that's for sure, you know. This is the organic. Sorry, this is hand-cut rice.
Okay. Oh, those look good.
Yeah, that's really good. Yeah, what's the real deal actually?
Whoa.
When's the last time you ever hand-cut rice?
No kidding. Yeah, not on the island, that's for sure.
This is my garlic sauce, okay?
All right.
This is what's going on over here. I'll tell you how many sauce we get now. This is my organic tzatziki sauce, which is the recipe of my mom, who's Spartan, so we just do everything from scratch, you know?
Alright, cool.
This is the glaze. Dang. Okay, and this is organic semolina, Greek durum and semolina flour, okay? So it's really sexy.
Brilliant,
okay?
man.
You're gonna be the best sandwich you have here in Maui.
So those are all the places that are open right now. during COVID-19. They're all locally owned small businesses that are great to support, and they are following safety protocols. So,
and you're guaranteed a good meal, right? And that's the biggest thing. You don't want to like go out of your house and get a bad meal.
Yeah.
So these are really
these
nice
are all
places.
great. Vetted by us.
Yeah, we eat a lot.
All right, so thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. We post new videos every Friday. We're also giving you a glimpse of what it looks like to live here during this COVID-19 crisis. So check out our other videos. So
as the pandemic most likely will drag on to some degree, we're going to do a video every month to kind of give an update of what's going on in Hawaii. How is it for people coming here? Things like that. Right now it's April, so we're still in like full lockdown mode, full shelter in place. The quarantine's going on. Takeout I consider as essential activity to keep our sanity and keep fed.
Yeah.
But yeah, stay tuned every month. COVID-19 videos. What's going on here in Hawaii?
Yeah. Thanks for watching.
See the picture? Down the hatch. Moku Roots. Then Saigon. 808. No, Noodle Bar. This is Noodle Bar.